Assalamu alaikum students, how are you all? Hope so you will be fine and healthy. Students, open your mathematics books. Today we will do page number 34 and our topic is color the correct numbers of objects. Look at the page number 34. Our topic is color the correct number of objects. We will color the objects according to given number. Write here HW. 8 apples. Now we will color the 8 apples. EIGHT 8. Start coloring with me. This is first one. I am using red color. Very good. This is second one. Don't cross outline. Very good, students. This is third one. Very good. Yes, like this. Next one. This is fourth one. Very good. Color neatly. This is fifth one. Very good. Sixth one. Color neatly, students. Don't cross outline. Very good. Seventh one. Color neatly. Yes. And eighth one. Okay, students, now count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. We have 8 apples. Look at the next one. 12 flowers. We will color 12 flowers. Start with me. First one. Second one. Very good. Third one. Fourth one. Fifth one. Sixth one. Seventh one. Color neatly, students. Eighth one. Don't cross outline. Ninth one. Tenth one. This is 11th flower. Color it neatly. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Color one more. 12. This is 12th flower. Now we will color in 15 dots. Start coloring with me. First one. Color neatly, students. Second one. Third one. Don't cross outline. Fourth one. Color in it also. Fifth one. Sixth one. Seventh one. Very good. Eighth one. Ninth one. This is 10th dot. Yes. Very good. 11th dot. 12th dot. Very good. 13th dot. 14th dot. Color neatly, students. And 15th dot. Very good. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. We have 15 dots in blue color. Now we will color in 13 triangles. Start coloring with me. First one. Second one. Don't cross outline. Third one. Fourth one. Fifth one. Sixth one. Seventh one. Very good. Eighth one. Very good. Color neatly, students. Ninth one. Yes, like this. This is 10th triangle. This is 11th. This is 12th. And this is 13. Very good. Don't cross outline. Very good. Like this. Students, I have color in these 13 triangles. Yes. Okay, students, complete this page on your book. Thank you. Allah Hafiz. Stay blessed.